Hello guys, so I'm testing this Autoline Pro Shop Series smoke machine, and I already got it hooked up. Got positive to positive, negative to negative, and we already put their baby oil, whatever they have. Already put it up. It's running right now. It's on. I already sealed the throttle body and this vacuum line that goes to the valve cover over there, and we're just trying to find the smoke. And what do you know? Smoke's coming from the EGR. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.